students, yesterday we have learned how to form smallest number and greatest number. Some digits are given. When we are forming the smallest number, we have to arrange these digits in ascending order. That means smallest to largest. And when we are writing the greatest number, we have to arrange these digits in descending order. That means greatest to smallest. Now the condition is use each digit only once and the number should not start with 0. Today we will start sum number G. Here also some digits are given. But here the condition is repeat digits as necessary. You can repeat digit here. And another one condition is, here it is given the number of digits in the smallest number or the greatest number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are given. You have to form a 6-digit smallest number and 6-digit greatest number. And one more condition which is not given here, that is the number should not start with 0. This is a fixed condition. So for smallest number, between 6, 9, 8, which is smallest? 6 is the smallest. First write down 6. Then write down 0. Now since we are forming the smallest number, we have to repeat the smallest digit only. Here 0 is the smallest digit, so we have to repeat 0. But we don't know how many times we will repeat 0. First write down the other digits. Between 8 and 9, which is smallest? 8 is smallest. Write down 8. After that 9. Now count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here. But you have to form 6-digit number. So add 2 more zeros. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit is here. Greatest number. For greatest number, first find which one is the greatest digit. 9 is the greatest digit, so first write down 1, 9. Since you are forming the greatest number, you have to repeat the greatest digit here. So you have to repeat 9, but we don't know how many times we will repeat 9. First write down the other digits. Between 6, 0 and 8, which is greatest? 8. First write down 8. In between 6 and 0, which is greatest? 6. Write down 6 after the 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here. Add 2, 9. 1, 2. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are here. So when we are forming the smallest number, we have to repeat the smallest digit. And when we are forming the greatest number, we have to repeat the greatest digit. Next one. These digits are given. We have to form a 9-digit number. Now here, except 0, which one is smallest? 2 is smallest. So first write down 2. After that write down 0. Since here 0 is the smallest digit, so we have to repeat 0. But we don't know how many times we will repeat 0. First write down the other digits. Among 4, 6 and 9, 4 is the smallest number. First write down 4. Then between 6 and 9, which one is smallest? 6. Write down 6. After that write down 9. Now count how many digits are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are here. But you have to form 9 digits. Now add 0. 6, 7, 8, 9. These zeros I have added to form a 9-digit number. Similarly, when we are forming the greatest number, among these digits, which is greatest? 9 is greatest. First write down 9. Since we are forming the greatest number, we have to repeat the greatest digit only. So we have to repeat 9 here. But we don't know how many times we will repeat 9. So first write down the other digits. Among these digits, which one is greatest? 6. First write down 6. 6 already I have written, so mark it. Among 4, 2, 0, which is greatest? 4. Write down 4, then 2, then 0. So how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits already here. We have to repeat 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. These 4 9s I have added to form a 9-digit number, greatest 9-digit number. Here, just check this question. 6 2 times. But I am not repeating 6 2 times in this smallest number or greatest number, because if I repeat 6, then it will not be the smallest number. That's why 6 I have not repeated here. Similarly here also I can repeat 6, but that will not be the greatest number. That's why I haven't repeated the digit 6. Next question. 6541 is a digit. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here. But we have to form 7-digit number. First, smallest number. For smallest number, we have to arrange these digits in ascending order. Which one is smallest among these numbers? 1 is smallest. First, write down 1. For smallest number, we have to repeat the smallest digit only. So here we have to repeat 1. But we don't know how many times we will repeat 1. First, write down the other digits. Among 4, 5, 6, which is smallest? 4. Write down 4. Then 5. After that 6. Now, how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here. But we have to form a 7-digit number. Now, we are adding 1 here. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total number of digits are 7. So this is the smallest 7-digit number. Next, we are forming the greatest number. Among these number, which is greatest? 6 is the greatest. First, write down 6. Now we don't know how many times we will repeat 6 here. First, write down the other digits. Among 5, 4, 1, which is greatest? 5. First, write down 5. Give a space here. First, write down 5. After that, 4. Then 1. Now, how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here. We have to form a 7-digit number. So, we have to repeat 6 here. Here, I have added 3 6s. To form a 7-digit greatest number. Now count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are here. So this is the way when the number of digits is mentioned. You can repeat the digits, but for the smallest number you have to repeat the smallest digit only, and for greatest number you have to repeat the greatest digit.